Hey guys, it's Courtney-Ann. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Hambani Estates by Sotheby Realty. In 2021, Sotheby made its entrance to the Jamaican market. The brand is known for luxury real estate, fine art, and auctionable items. They've recently partnered with First Rock to lay the foundation for 5-bedroom and 4-bedroom villas, and today we're going to tour the property. Here's a first glimpse of the exterior of the 5-bedroom villa. The unit will have 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, a butler's quarter, a butler's pantry, and also a pool in the backyard. This is a multi-level family home with an interior of 8,600 square feet. Here's a better look at the backyard so that you can better vision exactly where your pool would be. So where you see my partner standing, that is where your pool is going to be, and you're also going to have additional backyard space for your imagination. Here is what the digital design looks like. I think it's an amazing space. It really brings across the Jamaican island living. I think it's an open concept space with lots of natural lighting, lots of glass windows and doors, and so you'll have a lot of lighting inside your space. Now this space is gonna be your living room space. Now, like I said, very open concept. So you're gonna have your dining table, a seating area. You're gonna have an island in your kitchen with additional seating. And if you're interested in inquiring about this property, please reach out to Miss Monique Bramwell. She is one of the top realtors with Sotheby Realty, and she will take care of you. Now, if you turn your attention to the right side of the video, that is where you will have an additional bedroom as well as a bathroom. Now, you can use that as a guest bathroom and bedroom if you wish, or you can assign that as your butler's quarters. If you were to acquire the 4-bedroom villa though, you would instead have 7 bathrooms and 4 bedrooms instead. Now the interior for that space is 8,150 square foot. So you can still have room for your butler or your additional help, and you can still have extra rooms for both your family members and your guests. Now, Hambani Estates was birthed under a major partnership between an international brand, Sotheby International Realty, and a local brand, First Rock Capital. Now, the property was developed by First Rock, but also contracted to Garco Construction Limited to build these prestigious homes. We did have some inclement weather, so I was not able to film the second level in the house. However, you do have additional space up top as well. So like I said, this is a multi-level family home. So although you're seeing that much space downstairs, please bear in mind that you do have equal amount of space upstairs as well. So we're going to take our attention to the front of the house. Now, although you're seeing these drawings here, the space is actually designated for a 3-car driveway. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, at least 3 cars. And remember, you will have additional parking space at the front of the unit as well. So like I said, I truly believe this property is worth its price. I think you get a lot of square footage, you get a lot of spacious rooms, and you do get a lot of space to accommodate in case you are entertaining, in case you're having an event, or in case you're having additional guests for the holidays. They will not be a bother to other persons because they do have their own parking space on your property. So let's talk about location. The property is located on 1-3 Bamboo Avenue, Kingston 6. It's situated right behind the U.S. Embassy. Now, if you look into the distance, that is actually the United States Embassy there behind those trees. And you're also located close to Old Hope Road, close to Mona, close to several plazas, restaurants, and shopping centers. So you are located smack in the middle of Kingston. You do have access to city life, and then you can get away into your private villa and have a nice reserved private life. My favorite part about this tour was the exclusivity of it all. I do believe this is one of the first developments by Sotheby Realty in the Kingston 6 area, and I look forward to see what they will have in store for the Jamaican real estate market. So what you're looking at is the floor plan for the 5-bedroom villa. So you have levels 1 and level 2, and then afterwards I'm going to be showing you an exterior drawing or digital design of the 4-bedroom villa, which is what you're seeing now. Now the 5-bedroom villa is going to be on the market for $2 million US, and the 4-bedroom villa will be on the market for $1.8 US. I was so happy to be a part of this open house tour by Sotheby Realty. I met several realtors which I've always connected with online, and after the open house we all gathered with our helium balloons to celebrate Sotheby's new development and new mark in the real estate industry of Jamaica.
Okay, so this is our moment of gratitude, and we say thank you, Lord. Thank you to all of you here. We're very excited. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo!
Thank you guys so much for watching this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next real estate property tour. Take care and have a wonderful week.